Hello, welcome back to Greatest Love Ministries. This is Pastor James Hargrave. It's going to be a short video. This is just my take on what 923 is all about, or September 23rd. I think it's a reference to September 23rd, 2025, because that's the end of the 77th year. It's prophesied when Jesus comes back. I don't think it's going to exactly be the new year. I think it's going to come earlier than that, on the 9th of Ab, but nevertheless, as far as the Freemasons go, they're marking it as the official new year, end of the 77 years. So this will be the first year of the reign of Christ, however you want to look at that. I look at that as an eternal reign of Christ, not a 1,000-year reign of Christ. So just take this year, which just happened this new year, first of Tishri, which happens to fall on September 23rd, in the year 5786. Back that up to 5709, 77 years, and what do you got? October 4th, 1948. Independence Day in Israel was considered May 14th, 1948. This is based, the reckoning based on the Hebrew calendar, because their new year is in the fall. Thank you.